do not know what to wear. Oh my god, I'm driving. Give me 1 second. Hey guys, it's Teresa and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. On the road to 15k subscribers. This is the next Vlogmas video. I can't believe that it's already been like 1 week of Vlogmas. Well, by the time this video goes up, it'll basically be 1 week of Vlogmas. And I say this in every single vlog, but freaking knockout is so soon. Like literally, knockout is in 2 days. Like today's Thursday, we have Friday, and then we have Saturday, which is knockout. Like what the hell. I'm gonna be vlogging at knockout as well. It's not gonna be a part of the Christmas vlogs, but I'll be vlogging that weekend. I'm just so excited for like an indoor event because after DEF CON it was just so dusty, no reception. Still don't have my outfit, like I haven't finalized anything yet. And I'm gonna let you guys pick my outfit in today's video. I've done something like this before. I'm pretty sure it was for DEF CON. I wrote like pick my next rave outfit. So I'm gonna give you guys options. I'll probably give you guys like 4 options, and then you guys can comment down below which like outfit number you guys want me to wear to knockout. Currently 11:40, and not gonna lie, I literally woke up like 11:30 today. Like it's so bad, but what a freaking good sleep in. I'm gonna get my day started. I'm gonna quickly eat some breakfast and we're gonna head to the gym. I'm gonna do a glutes workout, and then I'm gonna go shopping for like some sport bras that I might wear to knockout. I really want to go to Lawn & Jane and try on some of the sport bras because I heard that it's very comfortable and flattering as well. So I want to go there, try it on. And it's also free burrito day at GYG, so might take advantage of that and go get a burrito as well because freaking yum. But as of right now, let's get breakfast and head to the gym straight away because it's already so late into the day, and that is my fault for sleeping in for so freaking long. This is my outfit for the gym today. My sports bra is just from Nike, just a plain black one. I'm wearing these flex ones from Gymshark. They're my favorite type of like style for Gymshark leggings. And I'm just gonna wear my Converse shoes because we are doing glutes / legs, and I like having like a flat sort of shoe thing. Change of plans. It's currently 12 p.m. I'm actually gonna go get the burrito first because I know it opens at 12 to 7, like the free burrito thing, and it's drive-through as well, so I won't need to get out of my car. I'm gonna go get the burrito, eat that. Since I haven't had breakfast or lunch, I want to eat that. I'm gonna shop after and digest my food, and then I'm gonna go gym. I went to the GYG there, the one that just opened, and the line, oh my god, I'm driving. Give me 1 second. I will explain the story once I stop. Why do I always do this? Like I always drive and vlog, and it is very not freaking safe of me. Okay, so I got to the other GYG joint that just opened, and they have like a drive-through and stuff, and when I got there, the drive-through wasn't open, and there was the longest freaking line ever to get like a free burrito, and I'm like, okay, I'm not waiting in that line. No, I don't want to wait. If it was like drive-through, maybe I'd think about it, but there was no drive-through, and the line was so freaking long. The whole area was like so packed, and I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna leave and go to another GYG because I'm like craving Mexican food. I woke up this morning and I was so set on getting like a burrito or Mexican food. I'm just gonna go buy my own because the wait is just not worth it, and I'm craving it like crazy. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna come back into my car, and we're gonna do a mini Mexican mukbang for you guys. I brought this top as well because I hate wearing like a sports bra walking around. So let's pop this on and get some food. So many Christmas vibes, and I'm just waiting for my nachos. I ended up getting nachos and not a burrito because I feel like it'll just be more satisfying. Stocked up on onion as well. Got my nachos. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. Oh, what the hell? They didn't even give me any cutlery. Serious? I gotta go in and get it? Oh. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna go in and get a freaking fork. I got my fork, and let's start with this mukbang. Can we just look at that? Oh my god, this is so exciting. Bye. Let's put these onions in. Oh, Jesus. Oh god, yum. This is literally my first meal of the day, guys. Like, oh my god. Look at that. Yum! I've literally been eating out so much. I kid you not. I had like brunch food for like 5 days straight or something, and changing it up clearly. I really hope when I go shopping I find like a nice sports bra. Like I do have a few sports bras at home already, but I don't like fully love any. Oh yes. And I also forgot to bring my freaking resistant bands for glutes. I'm still gonna train glutes, but I've been working out with like resistant bands. I feel like my workouts are just like so much better with. Alright, I'm gonna finish eating this and then we're gonna go shopping. Oh my god guys, it's so freaking hot. I'm gonna put my hair in a braid because I just can't do this right now. I'm just sweating just sitting in my car. But I did just finish eating my nachos. I literally ate the whole thing. Like, that's what's left, like a few chips and whatnot, and I'm so full. Do I regret eating all that? No, because it was so freaking bomb and it was so good for the soul. So I'm currently in Lorna Jane and their freaking change rooms are so cute. Like, I really don't understand what's happening here though. I don't know why there's like a TV there. But I'm trying on these sports bras. These are the ones I picked out. I don't know, I probably won't get this one because I want to wear like a lighter color to knock out like a color I mean, but I feel like it's so cute still. And then we have this one here. I don't really know how I feel about it either because I don't know about that. I'm gonna try it on anyways. But this is the one that I really liked, but they only have like a small in it, not an extra small. Okay, this one is like not cute at all. I do not like that at all. That's so weird. But the back is quite cute though. I really like the crisscross stuff. I'm so freaking full. This is the next sports bra. I feel like this one is so much more flattering, but I'm not like the biggest fan of the color. Like I would wear it to the gym, but I wouldn't wear it to knockout. The back is just like that, which is really, oh wow, I actually really like the back. This is the last sports bra. This is the size small. It is a bit big for me, so I probably won't get it. I don't really like the style of it either, so yep, don't think I'm getting any of them. I'm back in the change rooms and I want to give this one a go. It is navy. I did want to go for like a lighter color because all us girls are going like light pink, lilac, purple. So I don't know, let's just give this a go. This is like the same style as the other ones I tried on, but it's an extra small, which will probably fit me better. I don't think I like the style of this. I feel like it's like too thick there. I like sports bras where it's like really thin. This is what it looks like. Probably gonna pass on this one as well. Up at the gym. It is so freaking hot. I had a pretty good workout. It's currently 3:20. I want to head home now. I sort of rushed my workout because I need to get home by 4 p.m. because that's when my uni class registrations open, and I really want to get a good timetable this year, so I'm going to head home now and hopefully the classes that I want to be in are still open. I just finished doing my uni timetable and I have freaking been so blessed with a good timetable. I feel like every single semester I've been at uni, my timetable has been so good. So next year I'm only going one day on the Wednesday. My door! My first class starts at 9 and my last class ends at 4, so it's not too bad either. So I'm very happy with that timetable. I do have lectures on Mondays, but I normally don't go to my lectures. I just like watch it online. So I'm only going on Wednesday and I'm so freaking happy. For my knockout outfit for this weekend, I'm tossing up between these 3 sports bras. I feel like they all look pretty good. I just don't know which one I should go for. I'm sort of thinking this one, but I'm gonna let you guys decide. So I'm gonna try them on and I'm just gonna be wearing black shorts with all of them because I always wear these black ones from Burrito when I go to raves. They're like my go-to rave shorts. I'm gonna try these on and show you guys, and then you guys can decide whether you like the first one, second one, or third one. Also with the shoes, I'm just gonna wear my dual tone races. It's just like plain black Nike shoes that I wear to every single rave as well. This is outfit number 1. So this is the same sports bra I was wearing this morning. So it's just like a whole black outfit. Like I don't mind wearing all black, but I know the girls are going like pinky color, but I feel like black on black looks really nice, and I'm wearing black shoes as well. This is outfit number 1. This is outfit number 2. So literally the shorts are the same. It's just like the change in sports bra. So this sports bra is like a dusty pink color, but yeah, it's super cute. This is Reebok. I'm sure you guys have seen it in a vlog. This is the one I was originally gonna wear, but I've just been having like doubts about it. So this is outfit number 2. This is the last outfit. It's a really similar pink to the one I just tried on. This pink is just like a lot more brighter, but the main difference I would say is like the cut of it. The back looks like this. I really like the back of the second one more than I do like this one, but I really like the color of this because it's a lot brighter. This is outfit number 3, and I'm literally so stuck on what to wear. Like, I really do not know what to wear. It's gonna be one of those 3 since I couldn't find like a sports bra today. Those are the 3 sport bras. Please leave down in the comments which one I should wear. It's gonna be either 1, 2, and 3. Alright, I need your help. Everyone leave comments down below on which one I should wear for tomorrow. By the time this video goes up, knockout will be tomorrow. Oh my god. Xavier just came over to my house with the one and only. Oh my god, he's so cute. This is the first time I'm meeting Billy. Oh, where are you going?
Say high five. Come here.
Does he like chew on toys and stuff?
No. High five.
Oh.
Good puppy. I'm sorry.
How old is he?
He's like 8 years old.
Oh, look at his tongue. Currently 8:30 and I've just been editing all day, and I want to end this Vlogmas video here, and the next video that's going up is going to be my knockout video, which I'm going to be vlogging Friday, Saturday and Sunday, so that's going to be the knockout vlog. Make sure you guys leave down in the comments which outfit I should wear, either 1, 2 or 3, and if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the family. We are on the road to 15k, and also check out my social media accounts on Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter, and I'll see you guys very, very soon in my knockout vlog. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Bye guys.